I will be doing the first problem with you today. That way you see what a good example looks like. You'll see what I want to see on your paper. So make sure that you're copying down what I'm doing thoroughly and completely. That way you can do the second one on your own. Okay, so the first one, number one, you see the first thing they ask for is a tape diagram. How would we show 15x plus 14 equals 19? I think you know by now that 15x would be represented by 15 boxes, each of them having an x in it, and then also 14 other boxes. Okay, so I guess we better get started then. And I can already tell we are going to be running out of space with this. So let's try to work a little bit smarter. Instead of trying to make 15 boxes and then 14 more boxes, I know that I have 15 x's altogether. So I'm going to make a box containing my 15x and another box containing my 14. And this tape diagram, being much simpler, we know has to have a total of 19. For the rest of this problem, I'm going to solve without using sound, that way I can be at the board full time. So make sure you have this in your notes, that way you can do it number 2 on your own. Since we take away the 14, you see there has to be 15 left. My 15 x's altogether have to equal 15. The only way that's possible is if each x represents one number. Next up, we have the equation, which is already given to us in the example. 15x plus 14 equals 19. So again, we'll just go through this step by step without any sound. Copy down each step, that way you can do number 2 on your own. So this is exactly what I want to see on your paper. Don't forget, if we're going to subtract 14, the 14 has to come away from both sides. Everything has to stay balanced. Everything has to stay even. We have to keep things fair. Subtract 14 from both sides, and then also divide both sides by 15. No surprise here, the tape diagram and the equation give you the same answer. Hopefully you guys are realizing which one you prefer better. That way you can be more efficient on the test and on your homework. Pause the video here if you need to finish copying down anything. Otherwise, you can head to the next slide.